What do you like most about music?
I like and love music because I play music. I like the lyrics of music a lot.
Like if I'm having a bad day, I could just turn on some music and then just relax.
I like that it gives you a feeling.
Something heavy, something fast. It'll get me pumped up for the big game.
It makes me ambitious and want to go out and do things.
Getting to express your emotion through something other than writing, something other than just talking to a person.
I don't have to think about anything else except what I'm listening to.
You know, just fun.
Music can free the mind, stir the soul, and shake the spirit. It gives flight to our thoughts and feelings. And, let's face it, without music, life would be, well, not very exciting. It's interesting to think that behind this most soulful expression of human experience are rational numbers, mathematics, at its heart. Mathematician and philosopher Pythagoras of Samos first made the connection between rational numbers and music. He discovered there is a fractional or ratio value to musical notes. A rational number is any number that can be written as a ratio of two integers, but the denominator cannot be zero. Pythagoras discovered that each note was a fraction of the string it was played on. The rhythm, or the time signature, of a song is expressed as a fraction. The rhythm in this music is known as common time, because the most common time signature in music has 4 beats per measure. A measure is 1 unit in music. The time signature of a song appears on the music staff next to the clef sign. This is a treble clef, which indicates the higher notes in music. When you play or sing a whole note in common time, the sound you make would take up a whole measure of a song. A half note would take up half of a measure, and a quarter note a quarter of a measure, and so on. What patterns have you discovered in your world?
Working, because I work every day.
Finals, which come up every year. Christmas happens consistently because once, December 1st rolls around, everybody's getting ready and they're buying presents.
There's a lot of different cliques in the school that people try to fit into and they move around in. And
You see a lot of people trying to follow trends and everything and always trying to fit in, and not enough people are just being themselves.
The Greek philosopher Aristotle once said, "The mathematical sciences particularly exhibit order, symmetry, and limitation, and these are the greatest forms of the beautiful." When we look at nature's beauty, mathematical equations and theories may not come to mind. But the truth is that when we take a closer look, we can find a wondrous mathematical consistency in the beautiful world that surrounds us. An arithmetic sequence or progression is a sequence of real numbers that has a common difference between the terms. In this example, the common difference is 3. A geometric sequence or progression is a sequence of real numbers that has a common ratio between the terms. In this example, the ratio is 3 to 1. A series is the sum of the terms in a sequence.